Hello, welcome to a new video. Ever wondered what makes Norway's geography and landscape so captivating? This Scandinavian nation, nestled at the western edge of the Scandinavian peninsula, is a realm of staggering natural beauty that leaves visitors breathless. Norway's geography is a tapestry of awe-inspiring elements. Picture fjords, those deep grooves in the land left by glaciers filled with seawater. These natural wonders, such as the Fjord and the Fjord, are renowned for their spectacular beauty. They weave through the landscape, creating a maze of waterways lined by steep cliffs and sprinkled with quaint, picturesque villages. It's no surprise that these fjords have been recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Their beauty is truly a sight to behold. But the natural magnificence doesn't stop there. Norway's terrain is dotted with towering mountains, their peaks often cloaked in snow even during the summer months. The highest of them all, Galdhøpiggen, stands tall and proud, offering opportunities for skiing and hiking that are second to none. The view from the top is a panorama of Norway's incredible geography, a sight that is truly worth the climb. And let's not forget the forests. Norway's woodlands are verdant, lush, and teeming with life. They're a testament to the country's commitment to preserving its natural environment, and a haven for nature enthusiasts who enjoy the serenity and the invigorating scent of pine and spruce. The country's geography also includes rugged coastlines that stretch out into the North Sea and the Norwegian Sea. These coastlines are a paradise for birdwatchers, with a wealth of species making their homes on the cliffs and in the coastal waters. Norway's geography is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a playground for outdoor activities, a sanctuary for wildlife, and a source of inspiration for artists and poets alike. From the dark, tranquil waters of the fjords to the snowy peaks of the mountains, every corner of Norway offers a unique and captivating experience. Indeed, Norway's geography provides a breathtaking canvas for unforgettable experiences. Delving into Norway's past, a rich tapestry of history and culture unfolds. This Nordic gem's history is a thrilling saga that takes us back to the Viking era, a time when brave explorers, fierce warriors, and skilled seafarers ruled the roost, leaving an indelible mark on the region. Their audacious voyages and conquests are etched deeply in Norway's cultural memory, a testament to their indomitable spirit and love of adventure. The Viking legacy is beautifully complemented by Norway's rich and diverse cultural heritage. This can be seen in the country's remarkable medieval church architecture. Take, for instance, the Stave Church. This wooden marvel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a proud beacon of Norway's architectural prowess during the Middle Ages. It reflects the country's ability to create beauty that withstands the test of time. But Norway's cultural tapestry isn't just confined to history. It extends to the present, to a vibrant contemporary culture that celebrates folk music, art, and literature. The country has given the world a wealth of artistic treasures, with figures like Edvard Munch and Henrik Ibsen leaving an indelible mark on the global stage. Munch's hauntingly beautiful painting, The Scream, and Ibsen's thought-provoking plays like A Doll's House symbolize the depth and diversity of Norway's cultural contributions. Norwegian culture also thrives in the everyday life of its people. There's a deep-rooted appreciation for nature, a love for outdoor activities, and a preference for a slow-paced quality life. This is a place where traditions are cherished, where folk tales are passed down through generations, and where music and dance festivals bring communities together in joyful celebration. In essence, Norway's history and culture are a rich blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the modern. It's a vibrant tapestry that continues to evolve, shaped by the enduring spirit of its people and their deep-rooted connection to their land. So whether you're marveling at a centuries-old stave church, appreciating a Munch masterpiece, or partaking in a traditional folk dance, you're experiencing the very soul of Norway. Norway's history and culture serve as a testament to its enduring spirit and creativity. Please subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Thank you. Norway's progressive approach to social welfare and quality of life sets it apart. This is a nation that has built an impressive welfare system, one that is rooted in the belief that everyone deserves access to basic services, like education and healthcare, regardless of their social or economic status. Education in Norway is free, from primary school all the way through to university. This has resulted in an educated populace where literacy rates are near 100%, and a large proportion of the population holds a tertiary degree. The country's commitment to education is a testament to its belief in the power of knowledge and learning. Healthcare in Norway is also accessible to all. Whether you're battling a cold or a more serious condition, you can rest easy knowing you'll receive the care you need without the burden of exorbitant costs. This commitment to health underscores the nation's belief in the value of every life. But Norway's welfare system extends beyond just education and healthcare. It also includes a commitment to equitable wealth distribution. The country has one of the lowest levels of income inequality in the world, a testament to their belief in fairness and balance. This holistic approach to welfare has led Norway to consistently rank high in quality of life and happiness indexes. The nation frequently finds itself in the top spots, a recognition of the contentment and well-being experienced by its residents. Yet it's not just about the services provided. It's also about the values upheld. In Norway, societal norms like gender equality and diversity are not just discussed, they are lived. Men and women share domestic responsibilities, and parental leave is generous. Diversity is celebrated, and inclusivity is the norm, not the exception. Indeed, Norway's commitment to social welfare paints a picture of a society that truly cares for its people. It's a society that invests in its citizens, that values fairness and balance, and that believes in the power of education and healthcare. It's a society that places a premium on happiness and quality of life, and it's a society that sets an example for the rest of the world. Norway's dedication to energy efficiency and sustainability is a model for the world. This Scandinavian nation is a paradox of sorts. Despite being one of Europe's major oil and gas producers, Norway is a global frontrunner in renewable energy and sustainable living. A significant part of the country's energy portfolio is hydroelectric power. Blessed with a rugged terrain and an abundance of water, Norway has harnessed the power of falling water to generate electricity. This renewable, clean and reliable source of energy provides almost all of Norway's domestic power needs. It's a testament to the nation's commitment to sustainable energy sources, even when they are sitting atop vast reserves of fossil fuels. But the story doesn't end with hydroelectric power. Norway has been taking significant strides in wind and solar energy as well. Wind turbines dot the coastline, harnessing the power of the North Sea winds. And while it may seem counterintuitive given the country's northern location and long winters, solar energy is gaining traction too, especially in the summer months when the sun barely sets. In its quest for sustainability, Norway is not just looking at energy production, but also at consumption. The country has the highest per capita number of electric vehicles in the world. Through incentives like tax exemptions, free charging, and access to bus lanes, the government has made it attractive for Norwegians to go electric. It's an ambitious step towards reducing carbon emissions and moving away from a reliance on fossil fuels. And let's not forget Norway's commitment to preserving its natural environment. From its stunning fjords to its sprawling forests, the country has put in place strict regulations to protect these natural treasures. It's a delicate balancing act, promoting economic growth without compromising the environment. But Norway seems to have found the sweet spot. In conclusion, Norway's dedication to energy and sustainability goes beyond just ticking boxes on a global stage. It's a deeply ingrained part of their ethos, a testament to their respect for nature and a commitment to future generations. Norway's dedication to energy and sustainability demonstrates a profound respect for our planet's future. For the adventure seekers, Norway's diverse topography is a playground. This Scandinavian gem is a veritable haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a plethora of activities that suit every taste, season, and skill level. Starting with the classics, skiing and snowboarding are staples of the Norwegian outdoor experience. With snow-capped peaks like Galdhøpiggen offering pristine conditions for downhill and cross-country skiing, it's no wonder that Norway has produced some of the world's best winter athletes. The country's commitment to these sports is reflected in the top-notch resorts, schools, and equipment rental facilities that make these thrilling activities accessible to all. But that's not all. When the snow melts away, the lush mountain trails beckon hikers and trekkers. The trails range from tranquil walks through blooming valleys to challenging treks up steep cliffs. Each trail offers its own unique charm, whether it's the breathtaking views from the top of a fjord, the quiet serenity of a dense pine forest, or the exhilarating rush of a rapid river. Speaking of rivers, let's not forget the adrenaline-pumping action of whitewater kayaking. Norway's fast-flowing rivers and dramatic fjords provide the perfect setting for this extreme sport. The thrill of navigating through tumultuous rapids with the spectacular Norwegian scenery as a backdrop is an experience that leaves you feeling truly alive. And for those who want to dive deeper into adventure, there's cold water diving. Norway's clear, icy waters are home to an extraordinary underwater world, teeming with vibrant marine life and hauntingly beautiful shipwrecks. Despite the chill, diving here is an unforgettable experience that reveals a whole new perspective of this stunning country. So, whether you're carving your way down a snow-covered slope, hiking up a picturesque trail, maneuvering through roaring rapids, or exploring the depths of the icy fjords, Norway's outdoor adventures offer something for everyone. It's a place where nature is not just a backdrop, but an active participant in your adventures. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, Norway's outdoor offerings are sure to enthrall. At the heart of Norway's appeal are its people. Norwegians, well known for their friendliness and hospitality, are the heartbeat of this Nordic nation. They are warm, welcoming, and ever ready to share their love for their homeland with anyone who visits. Their character is deeply rooted in their natural surroundings. They have an intimate connection with nature, which is reflected in their everyday lives. This relationship isn't just about the breathtaking fjords or snow-kissed mountain ranges that they call home. It's about the tranquility they find in these spaces, the silence of a forest path, the calm ripple of a lakeside retreat. They understand and appreciate the peace that the natural world provides, and they strive to live in harmony with it. Norwegians value simplicity and authenticity. They take pleasure in the simple things in life, whether it's a leisurely hike in the wilderness, a cozy fireside chat, or a hearty home-cooked meal. They find joy not in the grandeur or the extravagant, but in the genuine and the unpretentious. Family and community traditions hold a special place in Norwegian life. Whether it's celebrating national holidays, partaking in local festivals, or just gathering for a family meal, these traditions are deeply cherished. They bring people together, fostering a sense of community and belonging. They are a testament to the strength of the social fabric that holds this society together. And it's not just about keeping old traditions alive. Norwegians are also open to new ideas, constantly evolving while staying true to their roots. This balance between the old and the new, the traditional and the modern, is a defining characteristic of Norwegian culture. The people of Norway, with their warmth and love for their land, truly make this country a unique and unforgettable destination. Their hospitality, their connection with nature, their appreciation for tranquility, and their deep respect for traditions. All these aspects contribute to the charm of Norway, making it a paradise not just of natural beauty, but of human warmth as well. In summary, what makes Norway so unique and captivating? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on the myriad of reasons that set this Scandinavian gem apart. Norway, a country nestled on the western edge of the Scandinavian peninsula, is a beautiful paradox of tradition and modernity, woven together to create an experience that is truly distinctive. Norway's geography is nothing short of breathtaking, boasting an astounding landscape that includes fjords, mountains, forests, and rugged coastlines. These natural wonders, such as the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Geirangerfjord and Nærøyfjord, offer a spectacular spectacle of beauty that is hard to match. The country's history and culture are deeply rooted in the Viking era, with brave explorers and warriors leaving a lasting imprint. This cultural heritage is mirrored in the architecture of medieval churches like the Ørnestave Church and the contemporary celebration of folk music, art, and literature. Figures like Edvard Munch and Henrik Ibsen have left an enduring mark on the global stage. Norway's commitment to social welfare and quality of life is commendable. With free education, accessible healthcare, and equitable wealth distribution, Norway consistently ranks high in quality of life and happiness indexes. The society values gender equality and diversity, fostering an inclusive environment. Despite being one of Europe's leading oil and gas producers, Norway stands out in the field of energy and sustainability. The country's serious commitment to renewable energy, especially hydroelectric power, and measures to reduce carbon emissions, demonstrates its dedication to preserving the natural environment. With its diverse topography, Norway is a haven for winter sports enthusiasts and outdoor activities. Skiing, snowboarding, and hiking are popular year-round activities. The region also attracts those seeking more extreme experiences, like whitewater kayaking and cold water diving. The Norwegians, known for their kindness and hospitality, reflect a connection with nature in their everyday life. They appreciate the peace and tranquility offered by the landscape, and family and community traditions are fundamental to Norwegian life. Whether exploring fjords, immersing in rich culture, or partaking in outdoor activities, Norway is sure to leave an indelible impression on anyone fortunate enough to visit. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Thank you.